Hey there, Excel friends. Welcome back to Sheet Leveler, where we make Excel simple, fun, and super useful. Today, we're tackling a question I hear all the time. How do I round numbers in Excel the right way? Ever had a number in Excel with way too many decimal places? Maybe you're working with prices, salaries, or data that just needs cleaning up. You might think, oh, I'll just reduce the decimal places using the toolbar. But wait. That doesn't actually change the number, just how it looks. The hidden decimals are still there, affecting calculations. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we'll go step by step through Excel's 4 rounding functions. Round. The standard way to round, based on common math rules. Round down. Always rounds down, no matter what. Round up. Always rounds up, no matter what. Round. Rounds to the nearest multiple of a number. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be rounding like a pro. So grab your spreadsheet and let's get started. Let's start by looking at why using Excel's decrease decimal button isn't the best solution. Imagine we have the number 135.4789 in cell B3. If I click on the decrease decimal button in the number group under the Home tab, Excel will show just 135. Looks good, right? But look up at the formula bar. You'll see the full 135.4789 is still there. This means Excel still uses the original value in calculations, which can mess up totals, averages, and financial reports. Instead, we need a function that truly rounds numbers. That's where round functions come in. First up is the round function. This follows normal rounding rules. If the decimal is 5 or higher, it rounds up. Otherwise, it rounds down. Click on C3, where we want to round the value in B3. Type equals round, open parenthesis, B3, comma, 2, close parenthesis. Press enter and boom. The number is rounded to 2 decimal places. If I change the 2 to 1, it keeps just 1 decimal place. Want to round to a whole number? Just use 0. Now double-click on the autofill handle, the small square in the bottom right of the cell, to apply it down the whole column. See? Easy. But now let's get more precise. Sometimes we don't want to follow normal rounding rules. We might need to always round down, no matter what. That's where round down comes in. Click on D3 and type equals round down, open parenthesis, B3, comma, 0, close parenthesis. Press enter, then drag the formula down. Notice how every number is rounded down to the nearest whole number. Even if it was 135.99, it still rounds to 135. This is great for things like budget calculations, where you don't want to overestimate. Now let's do the opposite, round everything up, no matter what. Click on E3 and type equals round up, open parenthesis, B3, comma, 0, close parenthesis. Hit enter and apply it down. Every number is now rounded up to the nearest whole number. Even 135.001 becomes 136. This is super useful for things like inventory counts, where you can't have partial items. Finally, let's try something different. Rounding to the nearest multiple. Let's say we want all numbers rounded to the nearest 5. Click on F3 and type equals mround. Open parenthesis, B3, comma, 5, close parenthesis. Press enter and apply the formula down. Now Excel automatically rounds each number to the nearest multiple of 5. 138 rounds to 140. 132 rounds to 146. Rounds to 145. You can change the 5 to any number, 10, 25, 100, or even 0.5 for decimal rounding. Which rounding function should you use? Pause the video and try each function in your own spreadsheet. Then let me know in the comments. Which function do you think you'll use the most? Have you ever had an Excel calculation go wrong because of hidden decimals? Loved this tutorial? You'll also enjoy mastering pivot tables and dashboards, Excel tricks that will save you hours, how to remove duplicates. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new Excel trick. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with friends. Thanks for watching and happy excelling!